Hello guys, so today I created this bridal makeup look, and if you're getting married and don't have a budget to hire a makeup artist, so this video is for you, and it's easy, very simple to recreate, and I hope you all guys like it. So please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So yeah, so let's get started. To start off, I'll be using this facial mask by e.l.f. and I do really love this facial mask because it helps to hydrate my dull skin and it really feels good on the skin because it has that cooling effect. So I just took off my mask and I decided to use these under eye gels. So it says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and it moisturizes the eye area. Because it's our big day and we don't want those dark circles and those 5 pounds of eye bags. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. I should have done that when I put my mask on. So I'm going to put these under eye gels and wait for 10 minutes before taking it off. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows while we wait for this. So for the eyebrows, I'm gonna use my Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefits. So it's time to take this off. So I'm just tapping off the excess serum under my eyes. So I'm gonna use this Brow Gel tinted brow gel from Tonia Crooks. Looks like this. The color of this eyebrow gel is brown because I don't want my eyebrows to be as dark as my hair. Just ignore my eyebrows because they're always cousins. So I grabbed my concealer to clean up the edges of my eyebrows. And I'm gonna spread that concealer to also use that as my eye primer. So I'm going to set my eyes with a powder so that our eyeshadow would look smooth. I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. I will take the Optimistic and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. And I'm gonna take the shade Inspired. And I'm using this palette and I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm going to apply that in the outer corner of my lid to deepen that corner to smoke it out. With the same palette, I'm gonna take the shade Charmer, like this one right here. I'm trying to use my finger. And I'm gonna take this gel liner right here from Pretty Vulgar. And I'm gonna apply it to my waterline, my upper waterline. And I'm gonna use this mascara from It Cosmetics. It's called Superhero. And I'm gonna finish the rest of my eyes later. So let's move on to the face. So for the primer, I'm gonna use my Claria tinted primer. for the foundation, I'm gonna use my NYX. It is a full coverage foundation. So we'll see if it's a, this is my first time using this foundation, so we'll see if it's really a full coverage. This foundation dries so quick. You probably have to blend it right then, like right after you put it on, because it dries so quick. The foundation is not really like full coverage, but it feels very light, which I like. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's all over the place. I'm gonna take back my blender. I'm gonna set my under eyes with this Airspun loose powder. I love this powder because like after you apply it in your under eyes, like your under eyes look like it's flawless. That's the thing I like about it. I'm not gonna do any baking, so I'm just gonna dab it. I'm gonna use my contour stick from Tarte. So I'm gonna take my Holo bronzer to warm up my face. And for the blush, I'm gonna use Pretty Vulgar. I like this blush, it's so pretty. The packaging is so pretty. For the highlighter, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. I'm gonna finish my eyes. So I'm gonna take the dark brown right here, the do it, and I'm gonna apply it right there in my lower lid. So for the lips, I'm gonna take my lip liner from MAC, and I'm just gonna follow the line of my lips. And I'm gonna take the liquid lipstick from Kat Von D. I think it was just a sample that I got from Etsy. So I'm gonna set my makeup using Pure Bliss. And that is it.